The poem Fog by Carl Sandburg. He was born in 1878 and died in 1967. Carl August Sandburg was a Swedish American poet, biographer, journalist, and editor. He won 3 Pulitzer Prize, 2 of his poetry, and one for his biography of Abraham Lincoln. He wrote his poetry primarily in free verse. His poem Fog presents us the symbol of death, and it also presents as a personification and an image of death. In the poem, there is atmosphere of mystery and horror. His notable works are The People, Yes, which he wrote in 1936, Good Morning America, 1928, Slabs of the Sunburnt West in 1922, and Smoke and Steel in 1920. The poem Fog is a short poem containing 6 lines. It is split into 2 stanzas. It is a free verse poem having no singular rhyme or set meter, especially in British English. The poem is an extended metaphor. The poet seeing the fog as a cat that comes on tiny and silent feet, as cats do when they are stalking, for example. The basic theme of the poem is nature and change. Fog has 2 central themes which mainly describe the attitude of man towards nature and how change is an inevitable part of a natural process. The poem Fog gives us the message of beginning of winter. In this poem we can see that fog is used as a symbol, as a metaphor, and as a personification. Metaphor is the poetic device that has been employed by Carl Sandburg in the poem Fog. Metaphor is demonstrated as a literary device in which the author establishes a comparison between 2 distinct or unrelated things or ideas. For example, you may see the fog comes on little cat feet. So the fog has been compared with the cat feet. जैसे कि वो दबे पाँव आती है, इसी तरह से fog भी आती है. It sits means comes and sits. यहाँ पे personification use हुई हुई है. So the poet attributes a human quality to the non-living thing. Fog is non-living, but human quality or a living quality. You may say feet, it sits like, sits means fog can never sit, but here personification tells us about that it is given an attribute. It sits looking over the harbor and city on silent haunches and then moves on. That it comes, it stays for a while on the harbor and city on the silent haunches. It comes silently and then moves on to the next destination. And it has been compared with the living thing like cat. In the first 2 lines, Sandberg introduces the subject, means the theme of the poem, and includes a strong metaphor throughout the poem. The fog comes in over a harbor and a city in a way that a cat would. So at first it is quiet and unsuspecting, like a cat, and then it moves on and disappears and pounces on another harbor and the city.